this verse, she's saying, Shilpam te parichitya tapsyati grihit yangi krita nasraja ahutasmi grihe rajeshitur iti shipram prajantyavachas tasya shravi na badrayeti vinayer man pramani krita man praman nikrita man praman nikrita. Krita means to do or to show. Krita. Ni means really showing or fully exposing or fully displaying. Nikrita. And then it's man, and then it's praman. It's man, jealous anger. Man. And then it's prakrishtarena man, means praman, means very jealous anger and extremely jealous anger. So then, this is an example. Her speech of Bhadra speaking to Krishna is an example of her. This is her Dhira Pragalvaman. Oh Hari, I haven't finished my Devi Puja yet, so I cannot taste your betel nuts. She says, Devi Adya, na Adya, Maya Archi, means Archan, right? Mayarchi Teti. I haven't done my puja, my Devi puja. And then, so Nahare Tambalam Ashwaditam. So Hari, I can't taste your betel nuts. I'm sorry. Because my husband, I cannot, and you want me to taste your betel nuts? And you want me to accept your garland around my neck? That's the next shloka, next line. Actually, why can't I accept your garland? Because my husband will be very pained and unhappy on seeing your skill. I cannot hear your words because right now your mother Yashoda is calling me to her house, so I have to go quickly, saying this politely. Bhadra showed her anger. In other words, not now, Krishna. I'm busy. Bye. But I really appreciate your stopping me on the pathway in the morning, and I'm on the way to see your mother Yashoda and do some service for her because she's Brajeshri. I really appreciate you accosting me on the path and offering. Say, come on, Saki. Hey, Saki, come on. There's a beautiful kunj nearby. Hey, Bhadra. Come with me. If you come with me, I'll give you a reward. Acha? What's that reward? I'll give you the pan I'm chewing. Oh, and I'll put my garland around your neck, which is another way of saying, obviously, offering your pan means offering your intimate kisses. And when he's saying, I'll offer my mala, that's called parokshavad. Paroksha, abhad. Abhad means speech or talk, and paroksha means indirect. So you're implying one meaning by saying something else. Come on, accept my flower garland, which means, because flower garland is wrapped around, it hangs off your neck, which means, come on, let's go into kunja and I'll kiss you and give you my tambul and wrap my arms around your neck like a flower garland. Got it? Krishna is very naughty and a very clever speaker. He's supandita in the 64 qualities of Krishna. One is sarva bhashavit. Sarva bhashavit. Vit means victorious, controlling. Bhasha means language or speech, and sarva means all. Sarva bhashavit, and he's supandita. Pandit means someone who's very learned, knowing the shastras. Dvivedi, Trivedi, Chaturvedi. Shastra Nipun, Shastra Vidvan. So Krishna is Supandita. He's the supreme, best Pandit of all possible Pandits. So he's very skillful at speaking. And I really can't accept your garland because my husband won't appreciate seeing your skill. And I can't hear your words, although you're speaking so many flattering words. You're really flattering me and buttering me up and trying to make me, give up my Dhira Man and enter this kunj. But really, with all respects to your good self, your mother's calling me right now. So I'm going to opt for Vatsalya Ras and be the faithful daughter-in-law of your mother, and run off to your mother and give up your wonderful offer and your wonderful company. So this is Pragava Nayak, when she's very mildly showing her anger. She's jealous. She's showing anger with Krishna because she's jealous over his activities, but she's speaking in a very polite way and also insulting Krishna at the same time. This is what Man is all about. So these are the ways of love in the transcendental realm, spiritual sky of Goloka Vrindavan, which we all hope to attain one day in our divine Sarup city, or let's say our Siddha Sarup, as Rupa Goswami calls it.